Okay, here we are again, busting 3 boxes of Topps Series 2 baseball. This is break number 3. Huh. What's up there, David? Haha! Judge, home run. All right, good luck, guys. Oh, here's memorable moments. Reggie Jackson for the Yankees. Top salute, Randall Grichuk for the Cardinals. Uh, gold parallel, Jordy Mercer for the Pirates. '87 All-Star, Jose Altuve for the Astros. Bronze rediscovered tops, Kirk McCaskill for the Angels. Memorable moments, Roger Maris for the Yankees. Dylan Betances, '87 All-Star for the Yankees. Foil parallel, Lonnie Chisenhall for the Indians. Milestones, Mark Teixeira for the Yankees. Memorable moments, Ichiro for the Mariners. First pitch, Danny Willett for the Yankees. We have a negative parallel, Adalberto Maja for the Twins. Top salute, Aledmys Diaz for the Cardinals. Gold, Javier Baez for the Cubs. Milestones, Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Top salute, David Ortiz for the Red Sox. Foil parallel, Zach Wheeler for the Mets. David Ortiz, 87 All-Star for the Red Sox. Peter Gammons for the MLB Network. Got a gold rediscovered tops of Mark Leiter for the Mariners. Top salute, Francisco Lindor for the Indians. '87 All-Star, Buster Posey for the Giants. And we got a bronze rediscovered tops, Sean Green for the Blue Jays. Memorable moments, Ty Cobb for the Tigers. '87 All-Star, Greg Maddux for the Cubs. The show. Felipe Rivero, foil for the Pirates. Memorable moments, Nolan Ryan for the Rangers. First pitch, Tom Lehman for the Twins. Top salute, Harmon Killebrew for the Twins. '87 All-Star, Mike Piazza. What team is he on there? For the Dodgers. Tyler Collins, black parallel, number to 66 for the Tigers. Bronze rediscovered tops, Kevin Brown for the Rangers. Memorable moments, Jackie Robinson for the Dodgers. Milestones, Cole Hamels for the Rangers. Alex Bregman, top salute for the Astros. '87 rookie Jose De Leon for the Rays. Got a silver rediscovered tops, John Burkett for the Giants. Gold, D. Gordon for the Marlins. Memorable moments, Johnny Damon for the Red Sox. First pitch, Stephen Bowen for the Cubs. Top salute, Mookie Betts for the Red Sox. Gold parallel, Jeremy Jeffress for the Rangers. 87 All-Star, Chipper Jones for the Braves. Got to show the card. Code card. Foil parallel, Roberto Perez for the Indians. Memorable moments, Bo Jackson for the Royals. First pitch, Brian Shaw for the White Sox. That's where the hit is. Top salute, Fergie Jenkins for the Cubs. Jarrell Cotton, gold for the Athletics. Ivan Rodriguez, 87 All-Star for the Rangers. Top salute, silver. Rediscover top silver, Eddie Murray for the Dodgers. Memorable moments, Mark McGwire for the Cardinals. Milestones, Ichiro for the Marlins. Top salute, Willie McCovey for the Giants. And we got Troy Tulowitzki relic for the Blue Jays. There's one for you, Steven. Yeah, I saw that. All right, here we go. Top salute, Bob Feller for the Indians. '87 rookie Jeff Hoffman for the Rockies. We got a Lucas Giolito pink parallel for the White Sox, number /50. Bronze rediscovered tops, Elmer Dessens for the Dodgers. Memorable moments, Ted Williams for the Red Sox. Top salute, Roberto Alomar for the Blue Jays. '87 rookie Matt Olson for the Athletics. Silver rediscovered tops, Dean Palmer for the Royals. It's fun to rediscover those cards. How come we can't rediscover like 52 Mantle? Addison Reed, gold parallel for the Mets. Memorable moments, Derek Jeter for the Yankees. Milestones, Alex Rodriguez for the Yankees. Salute, Jason Kipnis for the Indians. Top salute, Braden Shipley for the Diamondbacks. Gold parallel, German Marquise. Gold for the Rockies. '87 rookie, Trey Mancini for the Orioles. Bronze rediscovered tops, Bill Wilkinson for the Mariners. Love those '88 tops. Love them. I use them for packing. Memorable moments, Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. All I got to do is get a stamp that says rediscover them, get a blue one, and put on every one of my comments, and I'll be a millionaire. '87 rookie, Robert Gelsman. Show. Foil parallel for the Milwaukee Brewers. Team card. Memorable moments. Jackie Robinson for the Dodgers. No, you don't get them in every pack. Because they're special and rare. First pitch, Donovan Bailey for the Blue Jays. Memorable moments, Roberto Clemente for the Pirates. Yeah, why can't you get a rediscover Roberto Clemente? That's who people want to rediscover. Milestones, Justin Verlander for the Tigers. Got black parallel, James Shields, numbered to 66 for the White Sox. Salute, Mike Trout for the Angels. Gold parallel, Ryan Vogelsong for the Twins. '87 All-Star, Roger Clemens for the Red Sox. The show. Foil parallel, They Got Hops for the Indians. Memorable moments, Brooks Robinson for the Orioles. Milestones, Chris Bryant for the Cubs. Salute, Dave Winfield for the Yankees. '87 All-Star, Andres Galarraga for the Rockies. Bronze, rediscovered tops, Jose Guzman for the Rangers. Memorable moments, Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs. Carlos Gonzalez gold for the Rockies. First pitch, Gary Busey for the Rays. Salute, Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers. '87 rookie, Chad Pinder for the Athletics. And we got the Intentional Talk for MLB Network. Rediscover tops, silver for the Rays, Carl Crawford, Scott Kazmir. Milestones, Jose Bautista for the Blue Jays. Salute, Manny Margot for the Padres. '87 rookie, Tyler Glasnow for the Pirates. We got a blue rediscovered tops, Luis Alicia for the Cardinals. Roberto Osuna gold for the Blue Jays. '87 rookie, Matt Strom for the Royals. Foil parallel, Rugnet Odor for the Rangers. Memorable moments, Steve Carlton for the Phillies. Milestones, Ichiro for the Marlins. Memorable moments, Fernando Valenzuela for the Dodgers. First pitch, Chase Crawford for the Dodgers. Dansby Swanson salute for the Braves. And a relic. Justin Upton for the Tigers. On to the jumbo box. Remember, we got this again Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. 3 more after tonight. Salute, Gerald Cotton for the Athletics. 87 rookie, Dan Vogelbach for the Mariners. Foil parallel, Gavin Cecchini for the Mets. Memorable moments, Brooks Robinson for the Orioles. Black parallel, number 266, Cody Allen for the Indians. First pitch, Alex Curry for the Angels. Salute, Trey Mancini for the Orioles. Gold, Neil Walker for the Mets. 87 All-Star, Frank Thomas for the White Sox. Memorable moments, Ken Griffey Jr. for the Mariners. Milestones, Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. And Carlos Correa relic for the Astros. Yeah, I'm watching the game, and the voice is a little behind the the voice is behind the action. Salute, Frank Thomas for the White Sox. 87 rookie, Renato Nunez for the Athletics. Foil parallel, Chase Anderson for the Brewers. Memorable moments, Brooks Robinson for the Orioles. Intentional talk for MLB Network. And we got an autograph of an Oriole. Trey Mancini autograph for the Orioles. Sorry, Stephen. At least it wasn't Ripken. Salute, Gregory Polanco for the Pirates. Gold parallel, Jose Iglesias for the Tigers. 87 All-Star, Clayton Kershaw for the Dodgers. Foil parallel, Andrew McCutchen for the Pirates. Memorable moments, Ichiro for the Mariners. Milestones, Jose Bautista for the Blue Jays. Salute, George Brett for the Royals. Gold, Ichiro for the Marlins. 87 All-Star, Nolan Ryan for the Astros. Memorable moments, Lou Gehrig for the Yankees. First pitch, Morimoto for the Mariners. Got a gold, Rediscover Topps, Brian Dayette for the Cubs. Salute, Jorge Alfaro for the Phillies. Gold, Matt Widers for the Nationals. 87 rookie, Andrew Tolles for the Dodgers. Memorable moments, Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs. Milestones, Mark Teixeira for the Yankees. First pitch, Isaiah Mustafa for the Reds. Silver Rediscover Topps, Brian Pena for the Braves. Salute, Jacob deGrom for the Mets. Chase Anderson Gold for the Brewers. Omar Vizquel, 87 All-Star for the Indians. Memorable moments, Roberto Clemente for the Pirates. First pitch, Anthony Rapp for the Cubs. And we have Independence Day team logo patch card number 11 or 21 of 50. Mookie Betts for the Red Sox. Salute Ronaldo Lopez for the White Sox. Gold Cam Bedrosen for the Angels. 87 All-Star Nolan Arenado for the Rockies. Foil parallel Santiago Casilla for the Athletics. Memorable moments Willie Stargell for the Pirates. First pitch Josh Duhamel for the Dodgers. Bronze Rediscover Tops Nick Leyva for the Phillies. Top salute Jacoby Jones for the Tigers. Corey Seager All-Star for the Dodgers. Foil parallel Chris Young for the Red Sox. Memorable moments Sandy Koufax for the Dodgers. Milestones Ichiro for the Marlins. Got a negative of Matt Garza for the Brewers. Salute Frank Thomas for the White Sox. Gold parallel Devon Travis for the Blue Jays. 87 All-Star Fernando Valenzuela for the Dodgers. Memorable moments Bill Mazeroski for the Pirates. Milestones Alex Rodriguez for the Yankees. And on to the silver. No black packs. The special pack. Ryan Healy for the Athletics. George Brett for the Royals. Kyle Schwarber for the Cubs. Sandy Koufax for the Dodgers. Ichiro for the Marlins. Buster Posey for the Giants. Hunter Renfroe for the Padres. Miguel Sano for the Twins. Yoan Moncada for the White Sox. Adam Jones for the Orioles. Masahiro Tanaka for the Yankees. And we have a gold Javier Baez, number 50 of 50 for the Cubs. And last pack of the night, Trey Mancini for the Orioles. Adam Eaton for the Nationals. Babe Ruth for the Yankees. And we have an orange, number 99 of Adam Eaton for the Nationals. And there we have it. 3-box break of Topps Series 2 baseball, break number 3.